Hey everyone, Happy New Year! We took a break over the holidays, so as you probably noticed, we went a little bit dark, trying just to enjoy the holidays, take it easy after a long year. Probably most of you guys were thinking you should take a break from watching YouTube videos, anyways, about Business Central or NAV. But now we're in the new year, it's 2020, and it's time to ramp up again and keep learning. That's the best way to be. So I wanted to highlight a couple of things that are happening this year. We actually are running iNECTA University not only as a YouTube channel, but it's classroom trainings and online trainings and in all kinds of mediums. So I wanted to highlight the classroom training and even kind of put into perspective like how you learn things. So if you are like in the application, you're stuck somewhere and you need to get a quick answer to a problem that you have, then Googling that or going into YouTube and trying to find a video on that actual problem is really handy. And that's why we keep our videos short. We're sort of targeted towards one thing. So you quickly get the gist of how it works. You go back into the application and you sort of solve it. And that's a great way to learn. And I like that a lot. I do that with a lot of things. And I think today's world with IT, you do a lot of Googling around when you're learning something. Now, that being said, there's also value in traditional learning, like grab a book and you actually go through every single page of that book to learn a subject. Or you go to a class and you're surrounded by other students, you have a teacher, and there's an interaction between the students and the teacher and in between students as well. So those are different types of learning, and I think combining all of these different learnings together is the way to go. And we at iNECTA University, we provide all of them. So we have this channel, which definitely gets you what you need. And then we have online trainings, class trainings. So those are 2 days. It's pretty intense. You're going to be logging in for 2 days, learning about a subject with a teacher and other students. So there's interaction, but it's online. And then we also have traditional classroom trainings. So please check out our website on that. We have 2 coming up. We got 2018, that's going to be online, and it's a fundamentals class on NAV 2018. So we're doing legacy stuff. I know this channel is all about Business Central, but we thought, well, it's ERP. ERP moves slower than we would like to, because we're all here in the tech bubble and we want to push everybody as fast as they can into the cloud and into BC, into everything. But there's a lot of people on 2018 or 2017, 16 that are going to stay there for a little bit, and it's going to take time for them to upgrade. So we still want to train on that. So we offer a 2018 class, and the next one coming up is the 20th of January. So in about 3 weeks or so, less actually. And that's going to be online. So you can register and actually attend it online. So you could be anywhere in the world or anywhere in the US. And then we have an on-site class or in-classroom training in Pittsburgh, which is going to be the 27th. And that's specifically on manufacturing. And manufacturing, I did 10, 20 videos on manufacturing, and there's a lot of people who are viewing them. But it's an intense subject. It's deep, and once you get into these type of complexities, you can turn things backwards, forwards. There's a lot of little check boxes and things you got to get into. So in a classroom training, if you come in with the problem that you have and you sort of go through that with a teacher and with other students, you'll get more immersed in it. So I definitely recommend it. And again, that's in Pittsburgh on the 27th. And if you send more than 3 people, or 3 people or more, you get a discount. So pitching here a little bit. It's not my style necessarily, but After all, we try to get more and more people to come to our classes. So definitely take a look at that. And going forward this year, I'm going to be trying to incorporate this training or the training material that we're doing in our classes a little bit more into the YouTube videos, so that you have the full gambit of, you know, learning experiences. So you can watch the YouTubes. If you want to get even deeper than that, then you go into the classroom training, and I'll reference the classroom that you can actually go to get more on that topic. So without that, that was all I wanted to start the year out with. Just this quick video on a Friday, first Friday of the year. And then next week, we're going to jump back into CRM, finish those series. I'm sure some of you have been waiting for that, going like, where did that guy go? I'm back, no worries. Didn't get hit by a bus or anything, still alive. So we're going to keep going next week with CRM and more deeper topics.